come with me while I make a memory bear for my brother and sister-in-law's new baby girl. I cut out the stabilizer and got my shirts ready. Now we're just gonna iron those on and cut those out. All right, they're all cut out. I am gonna do a few embroidery things on this, and then we're gonna sew her together. And this is gonna be your forehead piece. So we're gonna take the nose, pretty sides together, put it right here. On this crease, see where that line is? That's gonna go in the crease there. A nose, pretty sides together. All right, now we're just gonna fold the darts on the piece that we just sewed, and we're gonna sew the darts at the bottom. All right, now we're gonna do the ears. You should have 4 of these. Pretty sides facing, and sew along your line for both of them. All right, so we're gonna do D to E, back of the head, side of the head. All right, make sure your front of the face that we did earlier is inside out. Piece that we just sewed, the back of the head side, make sure you do that. Regular side out, so you want the pretty side out. Put pretty sides touching. So you're gonna put this piece inside here. Ear position showing, so make sure you have those correct. There will be a line in the center of both, and that's where you're gonna line those up as well. C, ears, all the letters are gonna be touching, so just make sure those are touching, and then you can pin those together if you'd like. All right, so then we're gonna go ahead and sew the darts on the head. We're not gonna do the one in the back, so do not sew the Y. We're just gonna sew the side head darts. Just gonna sew the F to the G on the tummy, pretty sides together. All right, now we're gonna take the tummy pieces that we already sewed, and we're gonna take the inner leg pieces, and we're gonna sew from H to J, pretty sides facing. So you might need to pin this one, J to H. All right, then we're gonna sew the backs together, pretty sides touching, and L to G. Leave this open because that's where you're gonna put your stuffing. We'll sew that up later. And then on the backs, we are gonna go ahead and do the darts. So fold, sew both sides. All right, now we're gonna take our outer leg, O to the N, and sew that to our back piece, O to N. Pretty side together, and go ahead and stitch those. All right, this one's gonna be a big one, so we're gonna take the front and the back and go ahead and sew that together. the inner outer leg, front and back. We're gonna go from P to the G and then all the way back over to P. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my little clips on there so it helps me stay on track. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and fold that big old piece that we just made. And we're gonna go sewing from R all the way to S. Pretty sides together. All right, now we have our legs. So we're gonna go ahead and put our feet pads in. R to P, make sure you do that correctly, especially if you have a name or anything on the foot. I put a name on the foot, so I gotta make sure that's right side up. All right, now that we have everything sewed, we're gonna go ahead and turn that right side out. Check that, we got a little teddy bear. It's coming together. All right, now pretty side facing, we're gonna do TSU and make sure those are pretty side facing. So we're gonna do inner arm and the whole body that we just did. All right, now go ahead, once you sewed those on, and turn it back inside out. And then we're gonna sew from W to W on here somewhere. W, and it's gonna be on the other side of the arm right here, W. So make sure you go ahead and pin that. I'm gonna pin that really quick. All right, and then we're gonna go from W to X and then B to X on both sides. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and turn our head right side out. And I went ahead and actually embroidered some eyes and nose and sewed those on. So we want the nose facing you, feet facing you. We're gonna take the nose and go in. And then we're gonna line up all the things.
So I guess our souls were, because we're on a team.
And go ahead and pin your things, and then we're gonna sew that. Now you just pull this teddy bear and go ahead and put it right side out. All right, last thing we're gonna do, we're gonna stitch to Y to Z, and then it's just gonna leave that little opening to stuff it. and then you're gonna sew that closed later.